At Highland Hill Farm, we have lots of trees that we dig. And when you dig trees with track loaders or you're mowing constantly, they're up and down rows and it's dusty and dirty, your equipment needs to be serviced. And one of the services that we like to have performed on our equipment is we like to call Rob at Powerhouse Washing to come and power wash our equipment at Highland Hill Farm.
Hi, this is Rob from Powerhouse Washing, and I'm going to be getting started today. This is my equipment that I use. First thing we do is we hook up the water, fill the tank up. We run off the tank. We're at 4,500 pounds of pressure, 6 gallons a minute. And pull the hoses out, and today we're going to be cleaning Bill's equipment here. And we're going to show you how we do it. Go to the heat, and then that's when we go to the chemicals. So everything is a process of elimination.
Will make you look like brand new.
Yeah, yep.